Alright, we're doing a Piranha 175/14 bending demo video. Machine's running, back gauge is on. Here's our material. It's like basically some 10 gauge stuff we got, guys. Okay, 140. Give me an opening measurement. Looks like it's a 1-inch opening, 90V. It's a 1-incher. Okay. So we've got the right tooling for this piece. When we're done with this, we're gonna try to bend a piece of 1/4 inch we've got here, and that it's not your tool, so we'll give it a whirl, see what happens. But let's do our thing. Right now we got it set up at a 10-inch back gauge point. You want to go through the process of touch off, or you got that all set?
It's set right now. I can go through it again if you want.
Yeah, let's go through the process, just see what's doing.
Okay, so we hit man, hit calibrate. We're gonna come over here, switch over to program. We're in run 1 right now. Hit mode until we can get to inch. Then you switch back into run. We'll inch our die down till we touch off. We're gonna set that as our 0, so hit C. And then we can go ahead and hit up. And should be good with the height right there. If I hit advance, is that gonna take off though? I'm holding that once, Ron. Go back to 10. Man, advance. So we're at a 10-inch piece right there, and we should be, we're gonna switch back to run 1. Should be good to go.
Just do another bend.
We'll go 6-inch. I'll go into 7 once. 8. How about 8? And advance. We're set up at 8 inches. We're still in run 1. We can bring it into 6. Dimension.
It's coming forward.
Man, advance. We want to flip that over?
Yeah.
Making a set of stairs.
Looks like it's quite. We might have to come a little bit further, but there's the idea.
Let's see what we got. And so your measurements, when you're doing that, you're taking 2-inch measurements?
Yeah, I was coming in 2 inches with each one.
Do you want to throw a tape on there and
2.
see our 2 2s? What are you getting me? Got 2? Yeah, got 2, okay. 2 there. Yeah, alright. You're not measuring from the actual center, but that's, yeah, that's showing it's close enough. Okay. Let's get crazy. Let's see what we got with this piece, guys. Let's try to, I did it effortlessly.
That side.
Bends have to go down.
Let's go this way.
You have to slide it on, yeah. Let's gauge that real quick, Ron. You got your digitals? Yep, I got it. Go ahead. Guys, this isn't recommended normally, but I'm gonna try just to show you it's got the power. 260. Yeah, you're just over. Yeah, you're 1/4 inch, 248. Okay. All right, let's give it a whirl. We're gonna try to. We're gonna bend that.
I'm gonna jog it down once.
You got to touch down again?
Yeah, I'm gonna touch down. calibrate.
That's funny, a 125, that's the difference right there, twice as thick.
Just don't raise it up too high.
Okay, so let's just go back to run 1 right now. Run 1. We should be good to go. I don't know if that thing's gonna fall, but let's just see what happens. Good, good.
Damn. You guys spent 1/4 inch and a 1 inch opening. Look at that.
Bob said should be no problem.
Yeah, I think that's sharp. All right, man, that's nice. That's nice. Here's our, just you got our tooling. Look at our tooling here. Looks like we kept everything together, but made no issues. Yeah. All right, tool's good.